Today we're going to go through display URLs and final URLs, discuss what they are and our recommendations on how to use them on Google Ads. So first of all, what is a display URL? This is the URL that is shown on the ad. So let's say you're a boiler installer. You can change this URL based on the service and the location. So let's type in boiler repairs London. So you can see the top ads have used keywords in the display URL. This makes the ad more relevant and the customer is more likely to click through. Now the final URL. This is where the traffic will actually be going. So this can be different from the display URL. This will be either your website or some kind of landing page that you have built. It's basically where you want the customer to go and convert into a lead. So to edit your display URL and custom URL, go to the ads, click on the ad, and you can see where you can edit this. At the top, here you have the final URL. This is where you want the customer to go. And under here, this is what will be displayed on the ad. So for this example, you can see our website here. But if you were a boiler installer, this would be your website. And then on the display here, you would put boiler and then installers here. Now, when people see your ad, it will show that on Google. A good tip is to include local or near me keywords in the display path. It just makes everything far more localized and you'll get a better click-through rate. So for example, boilers and then near me, or local boilers and installers. Also, try and use all of the characters available as this will make your ad appear bigger. Once you've done all of this, scroll down to the bottom and hit save. So that's about it for display and final URLs. If you have any questions, put them in the comments section. I hope this was helpful and I'll see you on the next one.